Gildan is one of the largest domestic consumers of cotton grown in the USA. In the laydown, feeders move down a row of bales, pulling off each bale a thin layer of fiber. To produce consistently high-quality yarns, blending of the fibers from multiple bales is very important. This fiber is blown by air through ducts into an opening, blending, and cleaning process that separates foreign materials like dirt, leaves, and bark from the valuable cotton fibers. These fibers are then sent through a chute into a carding machine that will align the fibers and create a web, which is then formed into a sliver. In the next process, multiple strands are aligned and drawn together, forming the draw sliver. To make open-end yarns, these draw slivers are introduced into a spinning rotor, which turns faster than 100,000 RPMs, delivering the final yarn onto large cones. Ring-spun yarns require an intermediary step called roving, which is performed to prepare the strand for final spinning onto small bobbins. Auto winders then move the yarns from several bobbins to large cones for shipment. Automation plays a large role in the efficiency of these facilities.